Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video is going to show you how to process an inventory count. So we're going to pick this item KM001. The quantity I'm going to process is 3 each from location testing, and this is the LP. We're going to adjust this from 3 each to 2 each. Go to the app on the left-hand panel and select Inventory Count. Scan the location. Scan the LP. Here, you have the options to count by product or by UPC. If you're going to count by product, go ahead and scan the item. If the product maintains a lot number, you can also scan the lot number and input the expiration date. Adjust the quantity to 2 each and update the UOM. You can also take a picture of the product. Once you're done, just click on Submit. If you go back to the web application, under Inventory Count, it creates a count record. This is the one we just processed. If you scroll to the right-hand side, it's currently waiting for approval. Click on Approve. Let's check the inventory. As you can see, it shows 1 each for this product and this LP. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.